Hey there, it's Randall Bennett from Vidpresso, and today I'm going to show you how the system works. We're going to go over the editing and display interfaces. On the left side is the editing interface, on the right side is the display interface, and I'm going to show you how it all works. So we're going to use an example with one of our launch stations, which is KSL TV, and this morning they went out to a city called Tooele and did a remote broadcast, and they encouraged their viewers and other staff members to participate. So if I go down here, this is KSL TV's Facebook page, and I can pick this fourth post. That's we're live in Tooele, and here's a whole bunch of people who have commented. And you see as I get to the bottom, it loads a bunch of new posts, and I can scroll until I've got them all loaded. And if I like any of these, I'm going to click Send to Air, and this one's Send to Air. So you can see over here they're showing up. If I want to change the headline to Visiting in Tooele, which is a really difficult word to spell, I click Update Headline. It updates over there. I can also say I want to see what people are talking about on Twitter. Let's do hashtag KSLAM, which is what they encouraged their viewers to use. So here we have some posts. I'm going to send to air. We'll grab a couple different people. So you can see that I'm using Facebook and Twitter posts right next to each other. This makes it so that you could ask a question on both platforms and get the best answers from from each one. Now, this is not the only format that it's in. This is the KSL, we call it the skew format. It's a little bit three-dimensional. If I look at this next screen, this is the flat version. Sometimes they could use this. If I just go to the next one, this is the version that Fox 40 uses in Sacramento. You can see it's the same content, just a different look. And here's the version that KSL uses for a show called Studio 5. In Studio 5, they only want one post at a time. Now, what I'm really showing you here is that this system is extremely flexible, and you can use we can create a look that works exactly the way you want. So say you want to look in a monitor, but you also want your sidebar look, maybe a ticker look. We can help you come up with all those looks and display them on air. Our creation process is really simple. You simply send us a PSD, and we'll consult with you on how to make it work. Right now, we're developing tools that allow us to automate this process, but in the early days, we just want to get it right. So you simply create the look you want, and we'll help you implement it. So that's about it from the display side. If you have any other questions, you can email us, yo@vidpresso.com, or you can give us a phone call, 415-233-6007. I'm Randall Bennett. My co-founders are Justin and Piers, and we are grateful you watched this video. Thanks.